Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. If you're new here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you're coming back, you're welcome. Today I'm sharing with you yet another recipe, yet another dish, and this is originally a Kenyan dish, but we also have it in my country, so I decided to share it with you. Yeah, in my country it's really a difficult name, but I found out that in Kenya it's called Githeri, and it's just maize mixed with beans. So as you can see, I started off with chopping my onions and my garlic. After that, I went ahead and I chopped up my carrots. Now you don't really need the carrots. I just wanted to add this because I had them sitting there and yeah, they fitted the dish, so I just decided to add them. But it's not necessarily that you have to add them if you don't have them, but of course they taste nice and they add a flavor to this dish, so that's why. Then of course I chopped up my raw onions. I don't know if that's how they're called. I always forget their names, but I think they're called raw onions. And of course, if you know how they are called, just write in the comment below and I will very much thank you. So I then added oil to the pan. I started off by adding the minced meat to the oil, and as you can see, I am separating it piece by piece for it to be scattered in the oil. I then went ahead and added my onions, and as you can see, I always use both the white and the red onions because I like mixing them up, because each one of them gives a different flavor, and I'm told that the red ones are stronger than the white ones, so I choose to use both. So you want to make sure that you sear the onions and everything every 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes so that it doesn't get burnt on the bottom. And in that moment I added my raw onions, and I keep covering it up to let it shimmer for a while so that everything gets ready at the same time. So at this point I added my carrots, and as you can see, I'm also adding the garlic. It looks so yummy, yet it is not ready yet. Here I am adding my tomatoes. You didn't see me chop those up because I lost the video, but yeah, we are here and we have the tomatoes. That's what matters. And then I added some salt. Someone told me that when you add salt to the tomatoes, it helps them get ready easier or in the shortest time. So I'm trying this out and see if it works, and I have to tell you, it worked. It really worked. They were ready in just seconds, so thank you, whoever told me that. This time I went ahead and added my belly peppers, or paprika as some people call it. And I add these always last because I don't want them to overcook. I always want to have that little freshness in them, so I always add them last. And of course, thank you for all those who have subscribed to my channel. And if you're here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor and subscribe. I post videos once a week, and of course, if you have anything that you would love to see on my channel, anything that you would love to see me cook, please comment in the comments below, and I will surely do it. Here I am, I'm going to add my tomato paste, and one of you asked me why I use both the tomatoes and the tomato paste, and I think that both serve different functions. That's why I use both of them. And what I love about the tomato paste is that it gives a slight heaviness to the broth, and that's what I love about it. Now I went ahead and I added my coriander powder and stirred that up. I'm now going to add my maize, and as you can see, it still had some water in it, so I had to drain all of it out. But yeah, I added my maize and I just stirred everything up before I could add the beans. Here I am adding my beans. I took these out the night before, but as you can see, it was still a little bit frozen. But yeah, it was okay. It took just a few minutes and it dissolved into everything, so it was no hassle. Here we are minutes later, and as you can see, this dish looks so delicious and pretty, and I don't know, it is just time to enjoy it. Now this is something that you can enjoy with rice, posho or maize flour or cassava like I did, and it was delicious. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next week. Thank you for those who just joined in on my channel, and please subscribe. And those who have been here since the beginning, I appreciate you, and see you next time. Bye bye.